Hi, I'm Alicia Nagel, and I am excited to introduce you to Create Brand Gold, a DIY branding course I crafted just for entrepreneurs and small businesses like yours. Branding is essential to standing out, but hiring a senior branding consultant can cost thousands of dollars. I know that's not always possible, which is why I created this course. For just a few $100s, Create Brand Gold gives you all the tools, strategies, and insights you need to build a compelling brand on your own. In this course, I guide you step by step through the process of creating a brand strategy that spotlights the uniqueness of your business. You'll learn how to define your brand's personality, craft a memorable brand story, speak in language that resonates with your target audience, stand out from the competition, and so much more. I've designed Create Brand Gold to be tackled in just 12 days. Or if you're ambitious, you can bang it out in a weekend. The point is, even the busiest entrepreneur or small business owner can make it happen. Short, bite-sized videos explain the step-by-step branding process and walk you through writing out the elements of your brand into provided fillable PDF pages. These pages together form a professional-looking brand book designed to be printed or used as a digital reference at the end of the course. Whether you're just starting out or looking to rebrand, this course will empower you to take control of your brand's identity. You'll walk away with a professional-grade brand book that you can confidently use to inform and inspire strategic marketing across all platforms. Whether you create the marketing yourself, hire a contractor, or have a team member do it for you, your brand book will ensure marketing is consistently on brand, strategically focused, and that your business communications end up feeling helpful instead of salesy. I believe every business deserves to have a strong brand strategy, regardless of budget. So, if you're ready to elevate your brand without breaking the bank, Create Brand Gold is for you. Head over to my website to learn more and enroll today. Let's create brand gold for your business.